Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Namaskar. Dear dancers, welcome to the session. The course that you have joined is Indian Aesthetics with special reference to Indian classical dance Kathak. We have been learning, we have been discussing about various terminologies used in Indian classical dance Kathak. Today also we'll discuss certain Kathak terminologies. First terminology today we'll discuss is Padant. Padant is a recitation of Kathak syllables. Padant means recitation. Normally dancers recite the tabla bowl followed by the tabla bowl before dancing. This helps the musicians set the laya. Try to understand this. In Kathak, we discussed about laya, that's the tempo of music and dance. We discussed about matra, tal, vibhag, that's a division. We discussed all these terminologies. Now, how do we come to know when a dancer is performing which laya the bowls would be presented? That is generally presented by the recitation or padant. Which laya? For example, when I was explaining you various layers, vilambid, da. Then, when we talk about madhya, it is da, then, da. When drut, da, then, da, then, da, then, ta, then, da. So, these are padant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Teen tal padant. So padant is recitation of bowl. Generally, when individual dancer is performing, the bowls are either being recited by Kalaguru or might be recorded also. How would we come to know whether this is Kavit, this is Paran, this is Natvari Toda, this is Thaat? How would we come to know? We come to know by Padant. Dagatita gadigana nagatita katakata datraka dekita dagadig nagatita kata da. This is Padant. Padant, we come to know this is Paran. Tat, tat, ta, thai, tat, thai, either Toda or Rangmanch Pranam. So this is known as Padant, a recitation of bowl. In initial stage, when a learner learns recitation or padant, they go by counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a learner, a dancer, when learns basic tabla bowl, theka bowl, she speaks like this: da, din, da, tatkar bowl. Next comes tatkar bowl. Tatkar bowl is ta, thai, tat, a, thai, tat. This is Padan. In Padan, generally, detailed tal is presented. Tal with matras, how many beats. For example, if it is teen tal, 16 beats, then tali and khali, then again divisions. So that makes it complete Padan. Ta, thai, tat, a, thai, tat, ta, thai, tat, a, thai, tat, ta. Tatkar bol Padan. Da, din, da, din, da. Tin, ta, din, da. Tabla or theka bol Padan. Then गिनती से पढ़न 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. In this way, if it is a Kavit Padan, मुरली की धुन सुन बाजत मृदंग धुन दुदु किट दिकिट दिकिट थै तन तकरत उठ हिरत फिरत चंद्र चपल ग ना दिग दिग ना दिग 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 थो दिग दिग थो दिग 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 त्राम तत थै तत थै तत थै तत थै तत थै तत ता. My dear dancers, my dear learners, this is known as padant, padana. We are familiar to Hindi word padana, that is padant. Now we go to the next definition, which is theka. Earlier in the definition of padant also, and when I was explaining the other definitions of tal and tatkar and everything, at that time also I mentioned this. Theka is basic tabla bowl. All tals are based on certain tabla bowls. For example, when we talk about teen tal, da, din, da, din, da, tin, ta, din, da. This is theka bowl. Listen, my dear learners, there are various compositions. Tal, the structure of tal remains same, but many a times the way they are being pronounced or padant, one may find a little variation also. For example, in ek tal, din, da, trak, tun, na, kat, ta, da, trak, din, na. Din, dage, tirkit, tunna, katta, dage, tirkit, tunna. Variations are there. Dina, di, dina, na, ti, na, di, na, din. This is Japtal. Japtal can be pronounced like dina, na, ti, na, di, na. Some Gurujans, no, they utter like this also. Din, na, din, na, din, na, din, na, din. So this is known as theka bowl. The syllables of any tal played on tabla is called a theka or that particular tal. Theka is a ground for all rhythmic variations and has a character of its own. It has a significant structural unit. Obviously, as I told you that all tal will have particular structure and theka bowl will follow that particular structure. For example, Rupak has 7 matra structure, 3 to 2. Ti, na, di, na, tin, na, din, na. This is theka bowl. Good. I hope it is clear now. Very good. Now, when we talk about dance, Thaat. Thaat is a graceful and elegant posture or pose showcasing the beauty of the dancer's form. What happens when a dancer enters? When I would be discussing about the whole sequence of the performance, at that time I'll give you a little bit of glance or feel of what exactly is Thaat, what is Abad, what is Rangmanch Pranam or Salami. I'll discuss a little, showing you with a little bit of demonstration. Today when we talk about Thaat, Thaat is generally, it is a starting point of a dance. When in Vilambit, that's very slow tempo, dancer stands in certain poses, various poses. Thai, ta, thai, thai, ta, thai. Dancer would take certain poses. The poses would be like this, also would be like various poses and very elegant, very. So the dancer introduces herself and asks the audience to now pay attention that a dancer enters on the stage. So that is Thaat. Thaat is a pause. My dear learners, if you have Indian background and Indian languages background, in Hindi also it is said, "Arey unke Thaat to dekho, Thaat dekho." I am from Gujarati. Gujarat background, and so Gujarati language is my mother tongue. In Gujarati also it is said, "Are ena ठाठ बाट तो jo." So that ठाठ and thought that talks about the elegance of a dancer. Ahmad. Ahmad is a Farsi or Persian word. Ahmad means entry, to enter. After that, Ahmad, by the performance of Ahmad, the dancer enters the complete Rangmanch performance, enters into the various bandishes compositions of dance. The word Ahmad shows the influence of Persian language on this. As I told you earlier also, the journey starting from Jaipur Gharana, Lucknow Gharana, Banaras Gharana, then maybe Indore Gharana and various Gharanas after that. That shows the journey of Indian classical dance Kathak. The influence of Mughals, Muslim culture also on Indian classical dance Kathak. There are two types of Ahmad. One is Sada Ahmad and another is Paranjudi Ahmad. Generally, Ahmad is performed with the word like ta thai tat, a thai tat. So it starts with ta thai tat or tat tat thai tat, words like that. They are known as Sada Ahmad because they are demonstrated or performed with Nritya Bol. Ta, thai, tat, thai, ta, thai, thai, tat. These are Nritya Bol. So they are Sada Ahmad. Ta, thai, tat, a, thai, tat, thai, 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 tat, tat, thai, 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 tat, tat, thai, 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 tat, tat, ta. These are Sada Ahmad bols. Now you would be wondering, what is this Paranjudi Ahmad? Now, Ahmad, you know. Paran is generally, we will discuss, in this session we will discuss Paran and types of Paran. But here I am simply introducing you what exactly Paran means. Paran, when the bowls of Pakhavaj are used in performance, it is known as Paran. They are bowls like Da, Dage, Tita, Tunga. So Da, Dage, Tita, Data, these are Paran bowls. When Paran, Judi is Jodna. It's to join, to combine. When Paran is joined with Ahmad, it is known as Paranjudi Ahmad. Paranjudi Ahmad typically starts with words like da, ta, ka, tunga, da, ge, ding, ga, da, din, ta. So, da, ta, ka, tunga. That's Paranjudi Ahmad. Now you see, the artists make them more beautiful by showing variations in this Paranjudi Ahmad. For example, da ta ka tunga da ge ding da din da detta tit da takka tunga tatikatika titikat gadi gadata thai tat thai a thai. Okay, it continues like this. Now variation da ta ka tunga da ge ding da din da. Second variation. Now we come to the third variation. Da ta tunga da ta ka tunga da ge ding da ge ding da din da detta kirda takka tunga tatikataka. Variation. Da taka tunga da getting da. Variation. Da ta ka tunga da ta ka tunga da zunga da ge ding da ge ding da ga ding da den da. So in Paranjudi Ahmad, there can be lot many variations that shows creativity of artist, a dancer. And I'm sure that whosoever has joined this course are very, very creative and innovative dancers and artists. So now you're clear about what is Sada Ahmad and Paranjudi Ahmad. Generally, Ahmad is performed after That or many a times after Uttan also. Now you would be wondering what is Uttan? Yes, either dance starts with very graceful, slow pauses and movement of thought, as we discussed, or it may starts. No, as I told you earlier, that the purpose of any art is to surprise, chamatkriti. So, in very slow tempo, the musicians are playing music. Be it sitar or flute or violin or harmonium, and very simple tabla or pakhavaj bola going on. So, the audience is okay. Now the dancer comes on the stage. Oh, okay, okay, she would be coming. Okay, okay, she would be coming. And suddenly, she or he, because I respect all the dancers, be it be male or female. Yes. So suddenly in Vilambit Lai, the dancer artist comes on the stage and she or he starts with Utan. Dagadita gadigana nagadita kata kata data kadikita dagadega nagadita kata da dadaita 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 tatai 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 dadaita 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 tatai 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 dadaita 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 tatai tatai tatata. There can be variations in Uttan Bol also. For example, dagadita 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 kradadita dagadita gadigana dagadita datan tan kitadan dagadita 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 kradadita dagadita gadigana datan tan kitadan datan tan kitadan dagadita 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 kradadita dagadita gadigana dagadita data tan kitadan datan tan kitadan datan tan kitadan da. Uttan. This is known as Uttan. So generally, Ahmad is performed by That, Thai, Ta, Thai, Ik, Do. Very slow or Uttan. My dear learners, I'm sure you're clear what is Ahmad. After that, Rangmanch Pranam. Rangmanch is stage. In Bharatnatyam Shastra, beautiful detailed description of types of stages Rangmanch is there. I would request all of you to read original texts like Bharatanatyam Shastra, Abhinay Darpana, especially too, and Sangit Ratnakar too. That would help you to understand that what a wonderful reservoir of artistic aesthetics Bharata has, India has. I would really request all of you to refer them. Yes, coming back to Rangmanch Pranam. Rangmanch is a stage and Pranam, that is salutation. Pranam, this is Pranam. Hastamudra, this is Pranam. Many a times it is shown like this also. No, offering flowers, this is offering flowers. So that is also Rangmanch Pranam. A traditional salutation performed at the beginning of a dance recital to acknowledge the stage, audience, musicians, and gurus. Listen, my dear learners, Indian classical dance talks about India, Bharata. In Bharata, our Bhumi, the land, is Pujaniya, to be worshipped. And that's why in the morning when we wake up, before putting our feet on the land, on Ma Dharti, mother land, what we say? Karagare vasate Lakshmi, Karamulye Saraswati, Karmadyatu Govinda, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Samudra vasane Devi, Parvatastana Mandale, Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam, Padarspasham Swamaswami. So here we bow down to the motherland also. Now on the same motherland, we tap our feet, ta, ta, ta. So what do we say? Ma, motherland, I bow down to you. So the salutation is to Dharati Ma. So this is pranam to the land, the feet, the stage. The stage provides us the stage. Rangmanch ko pranam. I bow down to the stage. I bow down to all my gurus. Whatever I am because of my gurus. So, Rangamanch Pranam is to gurus. Rangamanch Pranam is to musicians. In absence of the musicians, how would I perform? So, my art depends on them. So, I am thankful to musicians also. I am thankful to all my audience. I'm thankful to my Shrota, viewers, audience. So Rangamanch Pranam starts with Nataraj and Natwara, then Guru, the musicians, the motherland, the stage, the audience, everybody. It combines the words Rangamanch, that is stage, and Pranam, that is salutation, signifying the dancer's respect and gratitude before commencing the performance. During the time of Mughal emperors, when the journey took the shelter of Muslim emperors or Mughal emperors, kings, in the courts of the kings, Rangamanch Pranam became salami also. So when the emperor would be there, they would show the kurnish, they would do like this because the dancers and the art was depending on the shelter of patronage of the emperors. So many a times during the performances in Mughal emperors or courts of Mughal emperors, the dancers used to touching their forehead on the land, or maybe touching the finger of the hands to the forehead, showing the kurnish to the king. But still, I would always say that the true journey is spiritual journey. When we talk about the journey of the dance, it is and it should always be for the Almighty and for Nijanand, blissful feeling of an individual. I hope Rangmanch Pranam or Salami is clear to you. When I was talking about Paran Judi Ahmad or Ahmad, I said that we'll discuss a little later on in the same session about Paran. Rhythmic phrases composed from Pakhavat syllables and executed with lot of force and vigor is Paran. Paran generally is more performed in Jaipur Gharana, and you observe that Jaipur is famous for vigor, valor of Jaipur kings, Rajputs. So the same, the dance Jaipur Gharana talks a lot about demonstrating that vigor, valor. Dagadita gadigana dagadita kata kata datagadita dagadita nagadita kata da. Dagadita dagadita tagadita tagadita kradatita dagadita gadigana nagadita. Lot of vigor in Paran. Now, there are three types of parans, various types of parans. Right now, we'll talk about three types of parans. First is Chakradar paran. Chakradar paran or Chakradar paran. We discussed when we were talking about Tihai, what is Chakradar. Paran is group of or phrases of words, bandish, that includes bowl or utterances resembling Pakhavaj bowl. Chakradar means any bowl, any bandish, repeating it thrice, taking it 3 times, repeating twice, ending at sama. That is Chakradar paran. Listen, I'm giving you example of Chakradar paran. Datita, datita, da datita, kra datita, dage tita, gadi ga, da, da, Gadi gana dan dan da. Gadi gana dan dan da. Datita datita da datita kar datita dageti. Gadi gana dan da da. Gadi gana dan dan da. Gadi gana dan dan da. Datita datita da datita kar datita dageti. Gadi gana dan dan da. Gadi gana dan dan da. Gadi gana dan dan da. This is Chakradhar Paran. Taking one paran 3 times and ending at sama. My dear learners, keep in mind one thing. Generally, when it starts second time or third time, the same bowl, they do not start with some. Keep in mind that. That's very important. Second comes Farmaishi Paran. Farmaishi means asking for, demanding. Farmaish karna, to ask for. Again, the word farmaish indicates influence of Mughal period, Muslim period. Farmaish karna, to ask for. Now, generally during the time of Lucknow Gharana, the dance Kathak in emperors of Muslim emperors' courts, they used to ask for something. Perform this, we want you to perform this, we want you to perform this. And at that time, they used to ask for a little bit difficult, very technically strong, very complex performances. So, whatever they asked, farmaish, asked for, demand for, they were known as farmaishi. Farmaishi parans asked for certain performances. They used to generally complex. In Farmaishi Paran, that can be anything which is asked for. Generally complex. But it is very important to understand the third type, which is Kamali Paran. When we talk about Kamali Paran, Kamal again, Kamal was Kamal kar diya. Wow, wondrous performance, wonderful performance, or chamatkaring, very surprising performance. So that's a Kamal. Wah, kya baat. Arre, bahut khoob. So that is Kamali Paran. Kamali Paran is mathematically, calculatively, particular structured composition. When we'll discuss that how Kathak also helps an individual to develop physical, intellectual, mathematical, etc. abilities, we'll discuss this also in detail. Now, Kamali Paran, it's characterized by a tihai that is repeated 3 times with specific das landing on the sum in each repetition. Mathematical precision and example. By example, I'll show you. There's a phrase, Paran, I would make you listen. The bowl. Ta athunga takka thunga kidde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai. This is one phrase. Okay? 3 times I'll take. Pay attention. Ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai tat thai ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 ta. You would be wondering what is so mathematical about it. Dear learners, this is Kamali Paran. You will have to understand the Kamal, the mathematic part of it. Try to understand. Ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai. Is it clear? When you complete it, listen. The first, second and third, all the 3. Now, mathematical precision. A Kamali Chakradhar, a specific type of Kamali Paran, often involves intricate mathematical calculations and patterns, particularly with the placement of the das within the Tihai. In a Kamali Chakradhar, the first da of the first section, the 14th da of the second section, and the last da of the third section might all land on the sum. Try to understand. Now listen, I will place a little more emphasis on that particular da of sum. Listen it. Ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thu dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai. Listen again. Ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thu dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thu dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai thai tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat thai ta thunga takka thu tigde ta takka thunga dig 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 thai tat tat 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 ta. In first piece of Chakradhar, first 3 chakkar, third da on sum. For second time, second 3, there are cluster of 3 chakkar, 3 chakkar, 3 chakkar. Tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat thai. This is first. When first particular cluster gets over, at the end it first 3 circle and da, sum. Second time, whole cluster, whole paran bol, and then not first 3 da, but at the end of the 3 chakkars, second time da, that is sum. And for the third time, at the end of all the 3, da will be there. Try to understand. First 3, first cluster. पहली बार जब आप बोलते हैं, at the end of the first, da is there. दूसरा पल्लू जो होता है, they are called as pallu. First pallu, second pallu, and third pallu. Second pallu da is the second 3 chakkar, and third time at the end of the third pallu da will be there. Ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thu dig 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 thai tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat ta. End of first 3 chakkar ta. फिर से एक बार ta thunga takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai tat thai tat tat thai tat tat thai tat tat ta thung takka thunga tigde ta takka thung dig 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 thai tat tat 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 thai. Second, at the end of second, just observe it. When you observe it, you'll come to know that this is Kamali Paran. My dear learners, I hope this is clear to you. And I'm sure the learning is a wonderful journey process, and I'm sure you are enjoying it. Wish you very happy learning time. All the best. Thank you.